This week, the Supreme Court heard arguments in Janus v. AFSCME, the Illinois lawsuit, challenging the right of public sector unions to collect agency fees from workers who don't want to become members. The plaintiff argues he doesn't share his union's political views, and by requiring him to pay dues, his First Amendment rights are being violated. But the Supreme Court has repeatedly upheld these so-called fair share dues, citing how all workers share in the benefits of collective bargaining. So why have they agreed to hear Janus? Lawmakers, bought by the Koch brothers and other special interests, have passed work with no rights laws in 27 states, allowing workers who don't feel like paying their dues nevertheless to freeload off those who do. Janus is just the latest in a series of lawsuits paid for by these corporate interests designed to extend work with no rights to blue states. AFSCME President Lee Saunders writes, "Working people stand united in fighting a rigged system that rewards the super wealthy at everyone else's expense. Corporations eager to crush workers' voices in the workplace should be wary of discarding decades of legal precedents. In exchange for agency fees, public sector unions agreed to no strike clauses, guaranteeing labor peace. Many union organizers, frustrated by the unequal application of constitutional rights in labor relations and hungry for breakthrough strategies to revive the labor movement, will welcome this kind of chaos. Conservatives who just want to deprive unions of financial resources for short-term partisan gain should think twice about this attack. Teacher pension funds are worth trillions of dollars, and many teachers have moral objections to investing in the stock market. So when state legislatures require teachers to pay into a retirement system, or worse, a hedge fund, it violates our First Amendment rights not to contribute to funds that invest in, say, gun manufacturers, whose products mow down thousands of our students every year. Or fossil fuels, the effects of which have already done 1,000 years of damage to our environment. A favorable ruling for the plaintiff in Janus will no doubt trigger an avalanche of similar lawsuits, bringing Wall Street to its knees. Chief Justice Roberts, who stunned SCOTUS watchers in 2015 by voting in favor of marriage equality, would do well to consider the legacy of his court before casting the deciding vote. If you found the information in this video helpful, go ahead and share it with a friend. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button so you can find me again.